Hey, Bernsey.
What's up, buddy?
We're on the old 88 Vet here. I just pulled the throttle body away, and look at more CP coolant stuff. We're definitely going to need to replace these
plus it's
lines.
been wet down there.
Oh, yeah.
And wet back here. I didn't get that video earlier because I noticed after I did my video.
Gotcha. But yeah, we're already definitely got some seepage here. We're going to definitely need to locate this molded line, which goes up and around and down into the manifold there. You can see it.
Oh, it's seeping right.
Yeah, look at that. That's been for how long?
I mean, car's what? Over 30 years old?
Close to 30 years old. 30.
Well, no, the Mustang's 30.
What years today?
2024.
Oh yeah, this is over 30.
It's almost 35.
Yeah, it's almost 40.
Yeah.
It's 36. It's 88.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because the Mustang's 30 years old out there, so.
Yes.
Just like me.
He's a liar. Anyway.
Are you guys trying to pretend that you know how to do numbers?
Yeah.
No.
Hey, you got the reverse lights on, buddy.
I know.
Nice. You backing one out? Anyway. Anyway. All right, so Bernsy's going to get that coolant line off, the other coolant line off. We need to start pulling this radiator. One thing I noticed, and I want to show John, we got a light.
Oh, so the,
well, we're getting ready to take off the intake here.
So just
whoever,
wait.
wait. Whoever did your air filter last, or if it's never been done, which makes sense. Yeah, they broke your mounting tab. That's really cute. Anyway, we'll figure that out. Maybe find you a replacement. Yes, Bernsey.
The reason those do twist off, but I just watched the video, and the little clip on the bottom that holds the stud like to break. So I'll sit there and spin and spin and spin.
Oh, so that's where we're at with that.
Yes.
Fun.
Literally just finished watching a little video.
So that's going to be a blast. So what are we doing now? I guess we got to pull the fan.
Pull the fan, see if we reach up there, hold the clip.
Give it the old reach around and then fix that. Fun. Okay. So much fun.
Hey, that's what happens with a 30-plus-year-old car.
Yep.
With
hardly any miles.
With no miles on it.
It's been sitting more than it's been driving. This is fun. All right, so I'm going to continue on here. Bernsy's going to continue on over here. And away we go.